Thank you for using Mechanical Bull Sales. The following is a step-by-step video on how to set up your bull. Components you will receive with your first-class package include wooden base, simulator motor, 16 by 16 air mattress, patch kit, stakes, foam donut, air blower, bull body, bull head, horns with spring and hook, Pro Series control panel with 35 preset rides and manual option, scoreboard, 2 speakers, 2 microphones, music input, video input. To set up the bull, review all instructions prior to starting. Find a clear, flat 16 by 16 space. Place the wooden base in the middle of your selected area and, with a 3/4 inch wrench, remove the 4 nuts from the wooden base. To avoid injury and damage, understand for this next step that the simulator motor is very heavy, has sharp edges and corners, is lopsided, and can accidentally roll if tilted or laid on its side. Now, with 2 people, carefully place the simulator motor on top of the wooden base, lining up the holes in the motor with the bolts on the wooden base. Fasten down the motor using a ratchet or open-end wrench. Tighten, but don't over-tighten the nuts onto the bolts. These nuts must be checked for tightness, typically after 2 hours of operation. The power cord comes wrapped inside the simulation housing. To release, carefully tilt the simulation motor and wooden base onto its side. Without cutting the cord, cut and remove the zip ties to free the power cord, avoiding the grease on the gearworks inside the simulator motor. Place the power cord between the wooden planks. Carefully tip the simulator and wooden base back to its upright position, again checking to be sure the cord is routed as desired and is not pinched, kinked, or caught on anything. Fully unroll the cord to the desired location of the control panel. Take the air mattress out of its protective bag and gently unroll it next to the simulator motor. Do not walk on the mattress with shoes. Remove shoes if needed. Position the mattress with the entrance and blower stocking facing desired location. When the center opening of the mattress is exposed, lift the opening over the simulator stem and continue unfolding. Then place the big foam donut with the Velcro strips facing up over the simulator motor onto the mattress. Next, remove the angle bracket with the 2 nylon discs from inside the bull body. Do not handle the bull body by the tail, tassels, ears, horns, or nose. Then, with 2 people, lift the bull body and guide it onto the simulator motor. Reinstall the bracket underneath the bull body with the angled side facing away from the simulator motor stem and the nylon discs facing up. Install the springs and wing nuts and hand tighten the wing nuts evenly. This assembly clamps the bull to the simulator motor stem for security and provides a clutching mechanism to ease the reversing of the bull during operation. The wing nuts will need to be checked regularly for tightness during operation. To install the head, remove the nuts and washers from the bull's head and slide the bolts into the holes provided at the front of the bull body. On the inside of the bull body, place the washers and nuts back onto the bolts and hand tighten while supporting the head. Snug the head on up using a 9/16 wrench, but do not over-tighten. To attach the horns, find the horn labeled R and the spring. Attach the hook tool to the end of the spring and thread the hook tool and spring through the right side of the head. Using the tool, and not your finger, pull until the spring is visible on the other side of the bull head. Attach the second horn to the spring and release. Next, plug the power cord into the control panel outlet labeled Power Receptacle, again twisting and locking its keeper ring, and unroll the power cord to your power source. Plug the motor cord into the control panel outlet labeled Motor Receptacle. Twist the keeper ring and lock. Note your voltage. It must be 220 volts, not 110, and your source must be capable of sustaining 220 volts at the controller under a continuous 20 amp load. Now you are ready to use the air blower. Find the air mattress blower stocking and attach to the blower head. Be sure that on the air mattress to the left of the blower stocking, the long zipper under the Velcro is closed. Proceed to turning on the air blower to fill the mattress. If the mattress fails to inflate in a timely manner, double-check that the Velcro opening to the left of the stem is securely fastened. The air blower must be on and the mattress fully inflated the entire time the system is being used. The entire mattress should be inflated and firm. Air leakage at the sewn seams is normal and is even necessary. Some air must continually escape and be replaced to keep the blower and the simulator motor area under the foam donut cooled. Adjust the scoreboard to face the rider. Being cautious not to pinch the cord, plug in the scoreboard to the control panel. On the control panel, turn the red power button on. Control panel operation for first class package and premium. Make sure that the emergency button is in the released position. You should be able to know this because the green arrow will be exposed. Select Program. To start, be sure that the automatic manual knob, located on the panel, is switched on auto before starting the automatic rides. Press Select Program to choose the level at which the rider will ride as well and the programmed ride within that level. Levels: 1. Novice. Easiest mode. Best for beginners. Contains 10 different programmed rides. 2. Intermediate. Contains 10 different programmed rides. 3. Advanced. Hardest mode for professional competition. Contains 10 different programmed rides. 4. Sexy. Slow rhythmic level containing 5 programmed rides. Selecting time. All levels are between 30 and 90 seconds, with the exception of the advanced level, which is 8 to 30 seconds. To choose the time of the selected ride, press Ride Time, number located directly below Ride Time. Type in the desired time and touch ENT or Enter. Operating the automatic mode. Once the manual automatic knob is set to automatic, both the touchscreen display and the touch button will be active. To begin automatic mode, set the desired level and ride as previously instructed. Once the ride is selected, the operator will place one finger on the touch button. The motor will automatically stop when the finger is removed. Operating the manual mode. If the manual automatic switch is set to manual, the yellow push buttons and the speed knob become active. Ride will begin by the operator manually pushing the spin buck buttons interchangeably. Do not push these buttons at the same time. The bull will stop as a safety precaution. Bull teardown. Turn off control panel. Disconnect power cord from your power source and disconnect the 2 cords from the front of the control panel. Store under control panel. If you have the first class package, we suggest you store all your cords together, including the speaker and microphone cords. Remove air blower from the mattress. On the air mattress, open the large Velcro flap and unzip the mattress. Set the air blower with the intake fan just inside the mattress. This will help the mattress deflate faster. At this point, you will now remove the bull from the motor step by removing the bracket. To do this, remove the 2 wing nuts and springs. Be careful not to misplace these parts. 2 people lift the bull off of the motor stem. Once the bull has been removed, put the bracket, springs, and wing nuts back on the bottom of the bull so that they are not lost or misplaced. Once the mattress is deflated, straighten out the corners of the mattress so they are straight and laying flat. Start to fold the mattress until aligned and as close to the bull as possible so that you are not stepping on the air mattress. Now you can lift the mattress up off the ground from around the motor stem and finish folding and place it in its protective bag. You may now remove the simulator motor from the wooden base. Store all in a dry area.